So having said all that, there are a lot of different foams for different applications. Spraying insulation is easier than spraying a roof, but still, you have to be able to look at what's coming out of the end of the gun and know if the foam is properly heated, if it's properly mixed, if it's the right foam to begin with for the job. If the machine's functioning properly, and that requires a significant amount of both knowledge and experience. I think we would all agree that those that are truly professional at whatever it is they do can make what they do look very simple. And for instance, I watched here one time a few years back, a guy performing surgery. Well, he made it look pretty easy, but I don't think anybody wants me grabbing a scalpel and cutting into somebody. And yeah, and there's foam applicators that are truly artisans and craftsmen at what they do that can make spraying foam look very easy. And I know you've been around some of those people. And I think you would also agree that it's not that easy. Not to do it right and not to make it look presentable. There's a fair amount of skill required.